Do you know what you were doing? Just curious.
No, I don't.
You don't know?
No emergency lights, flying down my level. Something I would get pulled over for. But yet this motherfucker gets to do it for free. You don't get a ticket. He's endangering other drivers just like anyone else would. But yet if it was you or me, we'd be in trouble. We'd be getting pulled over. Getting reckless driving, careless driving. One of the two. Here we are coming up on a 45, doing 80. 80 mile an hour in a 45. And he's still pulling on me. Here we are, we'll get his plate number. It's Traffic Cop 43 36410 PA, Pennsylvania State Police. Now he's tailgating the car in front of him because he wants him to get over so he can go faster. Must be quitting time. There the car moved, and now he gassed it. What a fucking joke. Now we're doing 65 in a 45. Approaching another car that's going slower. Going the speed limit. Oh, there's his brakes. Jam on the brakes, buddy. Oh, there you go. You want to go around him? That'd be good. Made that car get over. Here we go again. 65 and a 45. Considered reckless driving. But a policeman can do it. Oh, nope, must have to go to Sheets. We're gonna follow him in here. Maybe we'll ask him why he's going so fast. At least he's not cutting through traffic. Oh. Don't fucking talk to him. Sir, do you know what the speed limit is on my level? Not a clue.
45, 50.
Okay. Okay. Do you know what you were doing? Just curious.
No, I don't.
You don't know what you're doing? But every one of us could get pulled over for it, right? Thank you.